I mean, if there is going to be a limited amount of time or not?
But do they have it here?かな。なんかティーパターうまいけど。はい、今日はトレジョで買ったこれを使ってみたいと思います。ずっと気になったんですけど、やっと買ったので試してみたいと思います。何が入っているかと、ライスフラワーでしょ、タピオカスターチと、ウベピューレなどなど、はい、そんな感じです。混ぜるだけなので、はい、では作ります。でもう一個、水とオイル、溶かしバターでもいいけど入れちゃうと半分、はい、混ぜます。蒸したチンしたブロッコリーとカリフラワー、はい、今日はこれだけで手抜きで、卵液を入れて、せっかく並べたのに、はい、本当はねベーコンとかハムとかソテーして入れた方が美味しいんだろうけど、ベーコンコックしないよ。いや、ベーコン入れた方が美味しいけど入れないよって言ってたの。ベーコン食べてないね、そういえばしばらく。ひょ、はい、じゃあもうこれで焼きます。オーブンでもう20分ぐらいで OK です。入れますよよ。ちょうどいい感じかな。 OK、 ちっちゃいのでいこうかな。Do you want to bake it?
Yeah, you're nervous?
I'm
expert when it comes to baking pancakes.
Oh, good. One more. So slow.
Yeah, you gotta get it perfect, babe. It's an art, okay?
Oh.
I never expected my pancakes to be beautiful.
Whoa.
They'll be beautiful in your stomach too.
Oh, you are better than me, huh?
I wouldn't know.
Actually.
Oh, at flipping them, maybe? I don't know. You did fine. The point is, don't go kind of throw it on there because then it goes kind of splatters like that one. That was my first one. I did that one when I was young. When I was a young man, and I didn't know better. I think this might be done, right?
I think so. The first one too.
Yep. Okay, we can start cooking more.
You did it. You did it.
That's my pancake face.
OK。あ、メポとモモさんはこっちにいます。おお、舐めないで。メポ、あ、モモもね。はい。昨日洗ったもんね、綺麗になったね。メポ、気になるね、いい香りするね。モモは見えませんね、よく。
No pancakes for you today. I'm so sorry.
も行きましょう。今日は新鮮な大葉っていうか葉っぱがなかったので、フローズンを使って、なんかこれアセロラのピューレ。
Done.
ダン？アセロラのピューレを入れます。あとはヨーグルトとか、フローズンのマンゴーも入れようかな。フローズンマンゴー。あとバナナも入れようかな。フローズンのバナナも入れます。よけて、どうでしょう、見えるかな、ここね、映ってるここのキッシュ、簡単手抜きキッシュ、フローズンしておいたバナナでしょ、ヨーグルトを入れて、ちょっとあんまりいい色じゃないけど、グリーンを入れたから。グラノーラ入れましょう。これもトレジョのグラノーラ。はい、OK。トレジョのグラノーラ。見えない。あら、これちょっと少なかったかな。はい、OK。
Gonna sit like this.
いただきます。いただき
I
ます。
got good
い
this
た
one.
だきま
いただ
す。
きます。よっ。
Okay. Don't tell us what flavor this is. We want to guess, okay?
It's hard.
Mango
Yes.
with spinach. I don't know. There's green
Yeah.
in it.
You guess? I like my fruits.
すごい。
That's a lot. That's way too much.
Is it?
そのスプーンこれさ使っていい？
いいよ。
Uh-oh.
はい。はい、どうぞ。落としました。落としました。
You even ate it.
Me?
No, Jasper the ghost.
No. Yeah,
I
just for
can-
the ghost eats anything.
You can't even grab.
あ、そうだ。ラズベリーも。はい。ください。
Strawberry.
ラズベリーも入れちゃいます。お、もう一個。
You're having a
Oh,
real
Nico.
buffet.
I am. This is I'm in heaven today.
Yeah. How was it?
I don't know. I haven't tasted it yet.
と、whipped creamクリームもいっぱい乗せて。
Oh, they're good.
めっちゃ食える。わかった。
Really good.
うん。はい、どうぞ。
I forgot you said they were kind of sweet.
うん。
We used a lot
た
of
っぷ
this.
りいきます。
Oh, interesting.
うん。
I don't know where to put this for just.
So what kind are these again?
あー、なんだっけ。
ウベ。
ウベ。そう、ウベ。
Ube.
ウベ。
ウベ。これどこ？
What is ube?
Purple yam.
いや。
What?
Purple yam. Into this shopping stream.
At first, yeah, that'd be cool. At first, I was kind of worried about it. So, I'll tell you what, though, it's gonna be hard for him to come back. When I came back, even though it was a long time ago, when I came back, it was so hard to come back to America.
I remember
Japan's so great, you know.
I remember I cried once, like, because when he came home, like, I miss Japan.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah,
That's-
sometimes crying.
That's different from what I'm talking about, although I get that. But what I mean is like, even just the culture's different. Everyone there is so much nicer, so much more polite. Here, wood chips that's rocked in a way.
お掃除しないと。ツリーがこんなに大きいから。グランマ。
Yeah, Maple always comes back and she looks at me. Come here. Then she'll stop and wait for a pet.
ニップ。
Look at that fur.
猫さん。ももさん。
But you forgot. Okay. There's like a big piece of fire. Oh
Actually,
no.
hold on. Maple, come here. Look right here. Okay, ready? Go.
もう嫌だ。
I do this on most of the walks.
Why would you do it in front of Maya's house?
ソフィーのフレンド
It
のハウ
blows
スの
away.
前
Who
で。
cares? And then over here.
Oh, いっぱい。多くしてる。
I don't know what I'm meant to feel anymore. I take it out on my girls and smash that door. I fucked around with myself and I let you know that if you're up there watching, start the show.